Hello everyone, welcome to Data Popcorn, a bit-side knowledge sharing, and I would like to thank Mickey for giving this opportunity. So today's my topic is Data Activator in Microsoft Fabric. If you're observing, so there is any action, or else maybe if you want to check something about your data, and if you want to get it some notification, in such kind of a scenario, we can try to configure activators in Microsoft Fabric. So this is the complete architecture, how this action based. So maybe if you're want to set it an alert, a kind of a Power BI level, we can set an alert notification via Data Activator. So here there is no code has been utilized. And also, if you want to configure like a real-time intelligence part, a kind of a notification alert mechanism, in such kind of a scenario, you can make use of a data activated notification, like a real-time processing part based on your entire streaming source system or how it has been triggered, whether the ups and downs, these kind of a configurations, we can set it via data activator. Earlier, we will call it as a setting an alert notification, and we will set it up. Once we set it up, we can also configure with the Teams message, or we can also configure via Outlook and email and Power Automate as well as the custom automations too. So how it looks like. So it's a quick glimpses here, real-time intelligence part. So here, once everything is ready and the data is available, with the help of an activator mechanism, which is already there on your real-time intelligence part, we can set an alert notification, we can get it configure accordingly. It acts and it works and send a notification via as per the user needs. Like example, maybe I have a temperature in a room and I want to set it if it is beyond or else reaches more than 30, I want to set a notification or else a trigger notification, kind of a sensory. Such kind of a scenario, this activator will help and we can get it configure notification mechanism accordingly. It will get it trigger and we can send the notifications accordingly. So how it will be work? So suppose if we're observing, we can set it an automation here. So there are few important items like events, objects, rules, and properties. So we can each and every recorded streaming, it will be represented as an event, and the model in each and every real-time world consumption value, we will treat it as a data value. And here we can set the conditions based on the different triggering rules. And we can set based on some properties or field configuration, or even we can try to configure multiple rules also if you're making use of data activator in Microsoft Fabric. In the simple terms, I have created a simple concept here. So data activator, how it works on your entire data set based on the event streams. You can set it as in columns. On any individual column, we can try to configure. If the value has been reaches beyond, and we can set that notification alert via triggering concept. We can provide some condition and we can set the notifications accordingly. Let me showcase to you very quick in our time. So how it will be. So example, this is my window, my activator, and here, if you can see here, activator, we can edit it, or we can also, I already stopped it. We can start here, and here we can try to configure the rules based on the conditions. So here, these are the conditions which will be get supported, and we can configure accordingly. And here, these are the different ways we can provide an action via emails or Teams message, or even we can try to configure other activities too. And add the subject, headline, and message, and set it over. Set it first tested as an action, and you will receive an email notification, something like this. So example, one of the notification alert, when it has been reached some value, I have to set it as an alert notification, something like this. And after testing part, you can also stop the action and so that it will process accordingly. And this is what I just want to showcase to you as a part of bit size knowledge sharing. A simple term, if you want to set as conditions and you want to get it notified to your email boxes or MS Teams, you can use this data activator mechanism in Microsoft Fabric. Thank you.